Hi guys, how are you? Today I will show you in this tutorial how to update protection system in Microsoft Windows 10. Type in search Windows Update Setting and click Update Setting. Windows Update Setting dialog box will be open. Now we can see left Windows Security. Click on it. Its dialog box will be open. Here is a simple setting: virus and threat protection. Drop down area, scroll the dialog box and click on the check for updates. Now after few minutes our Windows security protection system will be updated. It will take few minutes to update. When it is update, simply we close the dialog box.